Hola, hola. My name is Francisca with Spanish Academy, calling all preschoolers, children, teens, and adults. Come join our Fiesta summer camps. We have Spanish, cooking, and sewing camps available for this year. Here are some highlights about our camps. For our cooking camp, children will be making their own cookbook. For our sewing camp, children will be making 4 to 5 projects per week. For our Spanish camp, students will be making art projects, including making piñatas from scratch. So join our summer fiesta camps. To register, please go to our website, www.spanishacademy.org. Hasta pronto!